Okay, to make Walmart Pay work, all you do is you just open the app. And then what you're going to do is you click Walmart Pay. So you're just going to open Walmart Pay. It's going to ask you for your finger recognition. And then I'll show you guys what to do next. Now I have $9.14 on credit, but you don't have to use it.
Yeah, you're so.
Okay, so I couldn't record while I was at the register. The cashier, she's like, you can't film. I says, yeah, I can. She's like, no, you can't. So I'm like, okay. So she called for help, and I kind of just scanned me scanning that, and the help's like, it's okay. So she's like, oh, okay. But anyway, so what I did is I used my $9.86 or whatever I had on my Walmart gift pay. Otherwise, if you guys have no money on that, you still just scan it and pay however you guys want. If you guys have some money on your app, you guys can do that. But let's say you don't want to use all your money on the app. What I end up doing is shutting it off. Or if you guys use all your money on your app, you will not get a physical receipt, which is hard to submit some of your receipts. So what you guys can end up doing is still scan it. I give them $1 cash, and then what they'll end up doing is they'll end up putting that as $1 cash, and then the rest will go off your digital gift card. So there's that. But what happened is I ended up getting a little thing that says Walmart e-receipt for $52.85. So it opens up right here. It says I paid $52.85. I used 2 different gift cards. I can view my receipt. But then right here it says submit receipt now for savings catcher. So I'm just going to submit my receipt, and that's it. That's all you do. So then you just wait for receipt or savings catcher. And right now I have $0, but that's how much I've gotten for a lifetime. So I've gotten hardly anything, but that's what I do to make savings catcher work. A lot of you guys were confused. You don't have to use any money in your account. You just scan it while you're at the register, while the cashier is scanning the items. That's all you do. And then later on, you just submit your receipt. That's all you have to do. You don't have, oh my God, there's a guy that almost just backed into somebody in the parking lot. But all you have to do is that. And then you guys, if you have some money in your savings catcher account, you can just use that up and then pay the difference. So just wanted to show you guys how savings catcher works. And I will see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.